Hello, and I'd love to give you some ideas for letter L is for llama. So today we decorated our letter L to kind of look like a llama, and we just put construction paper head and legs and some yarn to make it nice and fluffy. We also practiced that the sound that L makes, and L says L as in la 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 la, like you're singing. So we sang Twinkle Twinkle Little Star to practice and make that sound stick. For math today, we did some ordinal numbers using this llama worksheet. And we started like this. We said, let's count the llamas. 1, 2, 3, 4 llamas. And then I said the number 1 llama is first. The number 2 llama is second. The number 3 llama is third. The number 4 llama is fourth. And we worked on this worksheet. Glue the flower under the second llama. So the second llama is number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is the second llama. Can you find the first llama? That's the number 1 llama, and the second one. There it is, the first llama. And where's the fourth llama? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number 4 llama is the fourth llama. So that was math for today. For music and movement, we did the llama song, and you can find that on YouTube. That was fun. We made a llama with their hand. Just take your middle fingers and touch your thumb, and you have a llama. So the song had some llamas dancing around. For art today, we decorated pajamas because we're going to read the story, Llama Llama Red Pajama. This is just a worksheet that's free from Scholastic. You can find that online, and you could even draw your own. Hold on, I'll show you. I just drew a simple pair of pajamas on paper, so you could use that as well and decorate your pajamas however you'd like them to look, maybe with dinosaurs or with snowflakes like Elsa and Anna. So that's fun. For science today, we did something cool. In the story, Llama Llama wants a glass of water. So we used a glass and some water to do a cool science experiment, and I'll show you that right now. Okay, so here I have a glass and a bowl of water. So I'm going to take a paper towel, and this paper towel is dry, and I'm going to put it into the glass. Now, what do you think will happen if I put this glass into the bowl of water all the way in? Do you think the paper towel will get wet? Well, let's just find out. So I'm going to turn it upside down, and I'm going to go all the way down. And let me lift it back up. And let's find out if that paper towel is wet. It's not. The paper towel is completely dry. How did that happen? Let me show you that again. So here's the cup. We're going to put the paper towel in the bottom. And then we're going to submerge the cup down all the way down into the water to the bottom. And then we'll lift it back up. And ta-da! The paper towel is still dry. That was pretty cool. There was air pressure in the cup, and it didn't allow any water to seep in when we put it upside down. So that was our fun science experiment. I'll come back around and we'll wrap up. For story time today, we read Llama Llama Red Pajama, and I'll read that for you here. Llama Llama Red Pajama is by Anna Dudney. Llama Llama Red Pajama reads a story with his mama. Mama kisses baby's hair. Mama Llama goes downstairs. Llama Llama Red Pajama feels alone without his mama. Baby Llama wants a drink. Mama's at the kitchen sink. Llama Llama Red Pajama calls down to his llama mama. Mama says she'll be up soon. Baby Llama hums a tune. Llama Llama Red Pajama waiting for his mama. Mama isn't coming yet. Baby Llama starts to fret. Llama Llama Red Pajama whimpers softly for his mama. Mama Llama hears the phone. Baby Llama starts to moan. Llama Llama Red Pajama listens, quiet, for his mama. What is Mama Llama doing? Baby Llama starts boo-hooing. Hoo-hoo. Llama Llama Red Pajama hollers loudly for his mama. Baby Llama stomps and pouts. Baby Llama jumps and shouts. Llama Red Pajama in the dark without his mama. Eyes wide open, covers drawn. What if Mama Llama's gone? Llama Red Pajama, weeping, wailing for his mama. Will his mama ever come? Mama Llama, run, run, run! Baby Llama, what a tizzy. Sometimes Mama's very busy. Please stop all this llama drama and be patient for your mama. Little llama, don't you know? Mama Llama loves you so. Mama Llama's always near, even if she's not right here. Llama Red Pajama gets 2 kisses from his mama, snuggles pillow soft and deep. Baby Llama goes to sleep. The end. Well, hopefully you got some ideas for the letter L. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.